Remember when you used to get report cards? Well, did you know that real estate also gets graded? Let's take a look at apartment buildings and what those grades might look like. At the top, you've got Class A, the highest quality construction with the nicest finishes. You've got your granites, your hardwoods, and your stainless steel appliances. Below that is Class B, usually built within the last, say, 20 to 30 years. Good quality construction with little deferred maintenance and nice finishes, but maybe not quite as nice as Class A. And then below that, you've got your Class C. You've got older appliances. Often the interiors are not upgraded and some improvements are needed. And at the bottom, you've got Class D. And these are typically much older buildings, poor construction quality, worn buildings, and in fringe locations. At Goodegg Investments, we specialize in investing in B and C class apartment buildings. Part of the reason we do this is that during a recession, what happens? People aren't able to afford as nice housing as they would like. So maybe those who had been living in Class A might now downgrade to B and B to C and so on. So in a downturn, that demand for B and C class properties actually goes up. So that's part of the reason that we invest in these types of properties, is that it helps us to mitigate the risk long term as we hold these properties. In addition, because B and C class often could use some upgrades, that allows us to come in and improve the community. And what that does on the investor side is it gives us a little more control over increasing the value of the property. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, have a sunny side up day.